10 foods rich in vitamin E. 1. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with a variety of nutrients and can help a person get enough fiber to keep their digestive system healthy. A 100-gram serving contains 8.6 grams fiber, 20.78 grams protein, 645 milligrams potassium, 325 milligrams magnesium, 5 milligrams zinc. 2. Almonds. For every 100-gram serving of almonds, there is 25.63 mg trusted source of vitamin E. People can snack on roasted almonds, add them to cereal and baked goods, or drink almond milk. Almonds also contain 21.15 grams protein, 12.5 grams fiber, 733 milligrams potassium, 270 milligrams magnesium. 3. Peanuts. Peanuts are a popular snack. There is 4.93 mg trusted source of vitamin E in a 100-gram serving of dry roasted peanuts. People should be sure to buy plain, dry roasted peanuts rather than those with extra salt and flavorings. The same size serving also contains 24.35 grams protein, 8.4 grams fiber, 634 milligrams potassium, 14.355 milligrams niacin. 4. Some oils. Some oils are very high in vitamin E, although aside from fat and calories, most contain little else in the way of nutrition. A tablespoon of the following oils contains wheat germ oil, 20.32 mg trusted source vitamin E, rice bran oil, 4.39 mg trusted source vitamin E, grapeseed oil, 3.92 mg trusted source vitamin E, safflower oil, 4.64 mg trusted source vitamin E. 5. Avocados. Avocados are a versatile fruit that contain very little sugar and plenty of nutrients. In 100 grams of avocado, there is 2.07 mg trusted source of vitamin E. The same size serving also contains 10 milligrams of vitamin C, making it a healthful addition to many meals and snacks. Avocado also contains more potassium than bananas. 6. Spinach. A 100-gram serving of raw spinach contains 2.03 mg trusted source of vitamin E. The same serving also contains 9,377 international units IU vitamin A, 28.1 milligrams vitamin C, 2.2 grams fiber, 558 milligrams potassium. 7. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a dark green leafy vegetable that contains 1.89 mg trusted source of vitamin E in a 100-gram serving. Like many leafy greens, Swiss chard contains a range of additional nutrients, including 6,116 IU vitamin A, 81 milligrams magnesium, 30 milligrams vitamin C, 1.80 milligrams iron, 379 milligrams potassium, 1.6 grams fiber. 8. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is a tasty vegetable common in many fall and winter dishes. There is 1.29 mg trusted source of vitamin E in 100 grams of baked butternut squash. The same size serving also contains plenty of other vitamins and nutrients, including 11,155 IU vitamin A, 15.1 milligrams vitamin C, 3.2 grams fiber, 284 milligrams of potassium. 9. Beet greens. While many people are familiar with the taste of beetroot, not everyone knows that it is possible to eat the greens or leaves. People can use beet greens in salads or sauté them in oil. A 100-gram serving of cooked beet greens contains 1.81 mg trusted source of vitamin E. Beet greens contain many additional nutrients, including 7,654 IU vitamin A, 24.9 milligrams vitamin C, 909 milligrams potassium, 2.9 grams fiber, 1.90 milligrams iron, 114 milligrams calcium. 10. Trout. A 100-gram serving of trout contains 2.15 mg trusted source of vitamin E. Trout is also high in healthful omega-3 fatty acids, and the same size serving contains 21.11 grams of protein. Vitamin E is a type of antioxidant, which means it helps protect the body from free radicals. Free radicals are highly energetic molecules with an unshared electron. The body produces them naturally during many processes, such as converting food into energy. Free radicals can also enter the body due to environmental factors, such as pollution, sunlight, or smoke. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is a process that triggers cellular damage and aging. So far, researchers think oxidative stress and cellular damage plays some role in several conditions, including cancer, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, age-related macular degeneration, and cataracts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.